Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular kitchen appliances, the Ninja FD401 Foodi and the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. If you're in the market for a versatile cooking companion, this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Now let's dive into the comparison. When it comes to capacity, both products offer ample space for your cooking needs. The Ninja FD401 Foodi boasts an extra-large 8-quart ceramic-coated pot, perfect for cooking meals for the whole family. On the other hand, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer provides an impressive 8-quart capacity, making it ideal for feeding larger families or hosting gatherings. You won't have to worry about running out of space with either of these air fryers. When it comes to versatility, the Ninja FD401 Foodi takes the crown. With its 12 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cooking, air frying, steaming, slow cooking, baking, and more, you'll have endless options to explore in the kitchen. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer, on the other hand, provides convenient one-touch preset cooking functions for popular dishes, making it simple to achieve perfect results without the guesswork. Both products excel in their cooking performance. The Ninja FD401 Foodi features tender crisp technology, allowing you to quickly pressure cook ingredients and then crisps them up for a golden finish. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer utilizes rapid air circulation to achieve the perfect crisp without the excess oil. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, juicy chicken, or even healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, both products deliver outstanding results. When it comes to safety, both the Ninja FD401 Foodi and the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer have implemented various features to ensure hassle-free cooking. The Ninja FD401 Foodi comes with 14 safety features, giving you peace of mind while preparing your meals. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer features an automatic shutoff, pausing heating when the basket is opened and resuming where it left off once closed. You can trust both appliances to prioritize your safety. And there you have it. We've compared the Ninja FD401 Foodi and the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer in various categories. Both products offer exceptional features and performance, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and cooking needs. Don't forget to let us know in the comments section which one you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.